There's a lot that I've got in the pipeline. And to your point during the training, right? If you've got a busy pipeline and a customer's not ready, I'm like, okay, next.
Yes. Okay, next, but make sure you set that next step, right? Because if you just go, yeah, call us whenever you're ready, that doesn't work. That jams up. But yeah, David, thank you so much. You hit such a great point. Once you start using the skills that we teach and your pipeline gets full, it doesn't really break your heart, right? If somebody's like, hey, our next board meeting's not till March 15th, you're almost like, great, because I didn't know how I was going to fit you in. Yeah.
No pressure, I can now go and do this.
And you know what's interesting, and I'm sure you're seeing this, David, when you communicate that professionalism, but at the same time, like, I don't need your business. And I don't want anybody to take that the wrong way. Now all of a sudden, you'll be like, okay, great. I'm gonna call you March 15th at 2:30 p.m. if I haven't heard from you before then. It's like all of a sudden December 2nd, they're like, hey, wait, is there any, now those are the people, they're coming back to you ahead of time because you weren't trying to force something in there.